I'm going to show you how to make easy and healthy fruits smoothie. So I'm going to pick some herbs and we're gonna use this for my smoothie.
Like a Hellcat.
First one is banana and carrot smoothie, and the second one is apple and banana with mint smoothie. I'm going to show you how I make it. First, we're going to make carrots and banana smoothie. Get one piece of carrots, peel off the skin, and then chop it into small pieces. Carrots contain the antioxidants beta-carotene, which turn into vitamin E in our bodies. Vitamin A helps form and maintain healthy skin. And we're gonna add one piece of banana. Peel off the skin and chop the banana into small pieces. Banana is loaded with potassium and fiber. It has powerful antioxidants which reduce the risk of heart disease and help relieve muscle cramps caused by exercises. Add some apple juice or coconut water. You can also add any kind of fruit juice. Add some mint to make it fresh and healthy, and blend it together until smoothie. Carrots and banana smoothie is incredible for boosting your immune system and will make you fuller. Put it into the glass and enjoy the banana and carrot smoothie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you don't miss my videos and my recipe. For the second smoothie, we're going to make apple and banana smoothie. Chop the apple into small pieces and put it into the blender. Apple boosts the immunity system and also prevent cataracts. It also detoxifies our liver. Add one whole piece of banana. Cut the banana into small pieces. Add banana to the blender and add apple juice or water into the blender and mix it together until smoothie. Pour into glass, serve it, and enjoy the healthy and easy to make fruit smoothie. I hope you enjoy my video, and if you have questions, comment down below. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!